put it back like it was on the grounds, and made the house look better. John C. Nolt, Stevens, Pennsylvania. Yeah, the roof was, some of it, the garage part was 37 years old, I believe, 25-year shingle. So it was definitely time to replace. Siding was faded. There was a little bit of leaking in the garage, but that was probably due to, we had a vent running out there that we eliminated. The shingles were definitely time to replace. One of your guys just lives up the road from us. So, well, why not give him a try? And I was impressed. Zach came out, gave me the rundown, and it was excellent, yeah, with everybody. But they got to it and made it happen. The time it took to put the new roof down, I was surprised it didn't take longer. They did a great job. But I think they were here the second day. A lot of that was just finishing up, clean up, that kind of thing. Yeah, it was no complaints there. They put it back like it was on the grounds and made the house look better. I was in construction for probably 40-some years, so I know how it kind of works.
Right.
And no, it was, they went ahead and did it. I would definitely recommend you. Yeah. So I was happy. So that's what I'll tell my family and friends if they wonder about shingles and siding. So yeah.